So I saw somewhere people were making cute baskets out of these dish mats. So this was $3 at Dollar General, and I don't know, my kids filled it with Q-tips. Okay, anyways, and it's really easy. This is a great beginner project because you only have to sew a few seams. I'm gonna cut this tag off of here. So you're gonna decide which side you want on the outside and the inside. I want the white part to be the inside, so I am going to turn it sideways here, and you could do it this way as well, but then you're going to have a longer, shorter basket. So it just kind of depends on the final style that you want, but we're just going to take it no matter which way. I'm doing it hamburger style here, and I am going to fold this in half with right sides together, and the right side is your whatever you want to be your outer side, and you want to make sure that your top is lined up here, and I'm just going to clip it together, and again making sure my sides are lined up. And then I'm going to go over to my sewing machine, and I'm just going to sew right down this line. I'm going to sew kind of in this line here of the seam, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to use a little bit longer stitch length at like a 3 and a regular straight stitch, and I am starting at the top so that I can make sure my top stays nice and lined up. And then I like to back stitch to the top. And because this is kind of thick, you might have to help it through a bit. And then I'm just going to sew all the way down to the bottom. We are going to end up cutting this off here in a second. I have my opening up here at the top. At the bottom, I am going to cut out a 2.5 inch square from the bottom. And I'm going to measure my 2.5 inches from my seam line, not the edge of the fabric. And you could really cut out whatever size you wanted, but the bigger the square, the bigger the base is going to be. And the smaller the square, the smaller the base is going to be, and the bigger the rest of the basket is. So it's just kind of up to you. And then over here, I'm just going to get nice and easy and go here. So now I have my corners cut out, and we are going to turn this out so that it is the right side out. And we're going to now pinch this corner here with the wrong sides together. So your seam should be in the middle of this here, and we're just going to line this edge up, and it should go pretty easily because the corners of your square that you just cut out are the corners right here. And you're just going to go sew this seam line, the straight stitch from here to here, and you're going to do that same thing on this side as well, using about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Once you do that on both corners, you can see now we have a basket, but we have this ugly raw edge on the outside. So we are going to trim this down a little bit, the seam allowance. You don't want to cut over your stitches, otherwise it'll put a hole in it. And this is what's called a French seam. So you basically sew 2 seams and flipping it around so that then this is hidden inside your second seam. So I'm going to trim this down about in half. I'm going to turn our basket back wrong sides out, push out our corners of those seams, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same exact thing we just did, but now you can see here, this is that nice clean seam line. So I am going to pin this together here, and now we're going to go and sew right through here. So the biggest thing here is you want to make sure that you are using a big enough seam allowance to get over the raw edge in here, because then when you turn it out, it's going to be nice and clean. So I'm going to use about a 3/8 inch seam allowance because we did trim this down, but since this is bulky, I'm going to use a little bit bigger seam allowance and sew along here, and then do this on the same side, and then that is all. So then you sew both of those and then you just flip it out and you have the cutest little basket. These are so fun for holidays. You can usually find holiday ones of these. You can add like a little trim. You can fold it down here. I've seen people add handles to make them like Easter baskets. They make really good like baskets in the bathroom because they are absorbent. This one's for my daughter for her room, just to use on her desk. But so quick, so easy. That took me less than like 15 minutes with filming this. So give this a try and let me know what you think.